Bust it. Bust it.
There ain't seven, nah, there's 11. There ain't seven, nah, there's 11. There ain't seven, nah, there's 11. There's 11 body systems. And so you always remember on what they are. I'm going to tell you something that'll take you far. Something simple, oh yeah, something nice. Sweet little taste, a mnemonic device. Just a few words, and if you don't resist them, you'll know the 11 body systems. Goes like this on 1, 2, 3. Mr. Clyde runs down the street. M is for muscular. Think the main controls. We need muscles for everything, even an eye roll. There's 3 major types that are worth the mention. It's a skeletal, visceral, cardiac, convention. Let's say those again to keep on track. We got skeletal, visceral, and cardiac. Skeletal, visceral, and cardiac. Skeletal, visceral, and cardiac. Skeletal muscle is attached to bone. Is voluntary, which means it's up to your control. Visceral, on the other hand, is involuntary. It's in organs like your stomach, and you can't control them, baby. Sometimes visceral is also called smooth. Under a microscope, no striations, dude. When you hear cardiac, just think the heart. Cardiac muscle pumps blood, that's its part. Next in Mr. comes the R, which stands for respiratory. It's not too hard. Kind of like a filter that keeps us fab. Takes in the good gas and expels the bad. Next up, stars Clyde, first letter C, the circulatory system in your heartbeat. Your heart, your blood vessels, and all your blood work as the body's highway system to transport stuff. Dance break. L is for lymphatic. Hi-ya, attacking disease when the body's all wrong. Makes lymph which travels the body day and night. It contains white blood cells, vicious in a fight. This helps keep the body clean, kind of like a maid sweeping through, picking up, spraying toxins that invade. Then we have the letter I, a system real fly. The name is integumentary, kind of like our berry. Like an orange peel, protecting its fruit. It's like our shield, yo, our super soup. But no, it's not just the skin, but the hair and nails, as well as the glands and nerves, and you won't fail. D for digestive system comes next. If you eat something bad, the system gets vexed. It's the magician of the body with its magic act. It takes food and pulls energy out its hat. Breaks down food with the help of enzymes, and we have energy so we can stay alive. Then we have the letter E for the endocrine system, team of glands regulation. Its mission, each gland produces different hormones, controls things like our sleep and growth. The final R stands for reproductive, includes the sex organ, sperm meets egg. The purpose is a miracle indeed to produce offspring. Think the birds and the bees. The U is for urinary system, easy enough to remember. The kidneys are 2 very important members. They get rid of waste and extra water in our blood. Know this liquid is called urine, and you're good to go, stud. If you get stuck, think about 2 guys cleaning a pool. They keep our blood clean, which is pretty cool. Then the urine is onto the ureters, and then the bladder. From here, it exits through the urethra, and it's a final matter. Next up, we've got N for the nervous system, friend. This is how the body is able to fire and send messages to and from the brain and spinal cord and out to the body to the right source. A huge mailroom with messages to deliver. The brain and spinal cord make up the center. Their office is called the central nervous system. The office next door is full of assistants. They communicate about where the mail goes. The neurons are the carriers that make it so. Finally, we're at the end with the letter S, which stands for skeletal. I bet you can guess that the system includes all our joints and bones. They help us do things like move, you know? But it's also like poles that hold up a tent. It's our frame of support 100%. And just a fun fact, yo, to take for the road, there's 206, yes, 206 bones. So that is that. It's no crazy feat. Just remember, Mr. Clyde runs down the street, and you can name all systems like a breeze. Listen again, pass your test with ease.